Hi, this is Dave from DIY Domination. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to raise your own chickens? Imagine the joy of stepping out into your backyard each morning to collect fresh eggs, or the satisfaction of knowing you're living a more self-sufficient lifestyle. Raising chickens can indeed be a rewarding experience, offering not just food, but also companionship and a sense of connection with nature. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Raising chickens is certainly a delightful hobby, but it's one that requires careful planning and ongoing care. You'll need to consider everything from local regulations to the right breed, housing, feeding, and healthcare. Each step of the way, you'll be learning, adjusting, and growing along with your feathered friends. Your commitment to this journey will make all the difference. With the right information and resources, you can create a safe, healthy, and happy environment for your chickens. So, if you're ready to embark on this poultry raising journey, let's get started with the first crucial step. Before you welcome your feathered friends, it's important to know your local laws. Are you allowed to keep chickens in your area? You'll need to check your local zoning laws and regulations. You see, some places have restrictions on the number of chickens you can have. Others may have rules about where you can place your chicken coop. These regulations are there to ensure everyone's peace and well-being. So, do your homework. Once you've ensured you're in the clear, legally, it's time to choose your chickens. Choosing the right breed is a crucial step in your chicken raising journey. Now, the breed you choose largely depends on your needs and environment. Are you looking for egg layers, meat producers, or a combination of both? Some breeds are known for their prolific egg-laying abilities, while others are prized for their meat. Climate tolerance is another factor to consider. Certain breeds fare better in colder climates, while others are more suited for warmer regions. Your local climate will play a big role in determining which chickens will thrive in your backyard. And let's not forget temperament. Some chickens are known for their docile nature, making them great for families with young children, while others have a more spirited disposition. Remember, each breed has its own unique characteristics and requirements, so take the time to research and choose wisely. With the right breed selected, you're ready to create a home for your chickens. A safe, comfortable home is vital for your chickens' well-being. Just like us, chickens need a place where they feel secure and at ease, and that's where their coop comes in. Think of it as their castle, their fortress. Building or buying a chicken coop is your first order of business. The coop should provide everything your chickens need: shelter from the elements, protection from predators, and a place for them to roost. The coop is where your chickens will sleep and lay their eggs, so it needs to be a space they can call their own. The design of the coop can vary based on your needs and resources. What's important is that it's well ventilated, easy to clean, and offers enough room for each chicken. Yes, chickens, like people, need their space too. Overcrowding can lead to stress, disease, and even pecking fights. So, ensure each bird has enough elbow room to move around comfortably. Now let's talk about daytime. Chickens are not meant to be cooped up all day. They need to stretch their legs, peck at the ground, and enjoy the sunshine. That's why you need to provide an outdoor run or chicken yard. This area should be securely fenced to keep the chickens in and the predators out. Remember, even in urban areas, predators like foxes or raccoons can pose a threat. The run should have enough space for your chickens to roam freely. It's their playground, their exercise space, their dining room. Here they can scratch for bugs, take dust baths, and do all the things that make a chicken happy. So when preparing your chicken housing, keep these things in mind: shelter, protection, space, ventilation, and cleanliness. Get these right, and you'll have some very happy hens on your hands. With a good home ready, we can now bring in the stars of the show. Remember, a well-cared-for chicken is a happy chicken, and a happy chicken lays delicious eggs. It's a win-win situation. So let's get those coops and runs ready, because it's almost time to welcome your new feathered friends. By the way, if you like this video and would like to see more videos with advice on farming and raising animals, make sure to click the subscribe button and become part of the DIY Domination community today. Now comes the exciting part, bringing in your chicks. As you venture into this rewarding journey, remember that your chicks or pullets should come from a trusted source. This ensures they've been well cared for, are in good health, and are of the breed you desire. Alternatively, if you've got a rooster strutting around, you can hatch your own from fertilized eggs. The moment those adorable little balls of fluff arrive, they'll need a safe place to call home, a brooder. A brooder is a warm, secure space where day-old chicks can thrive until they develop feathers and can regulate their body temperature. Think of it as a nursery for your chicks, providing them with a cozy environment shielded from drafts and predators. Heat is crucial in a brooder. Heat lamps or heating pads can do the trick, mimicking the warmth of a mother hen. Just remember, it's all about balance. Too hot or too cold can lead to problems. With your chicks settled in, next up is ensuring their nutritional needs are met. Feeding and caring for your chickens is a daily commitment. Just like us, chickens need a balanced diet and clean water to stay healthy. It's crucial to ensure they have constant access to fresh water. This keeps their body temperature regulated and aids in digestion. Now let's talk about feed. A balanced chicken feed is a must. This typically includes grains like corn and wheat, protein from soybean meal, and a blend of vitamins and minerals. It's like the chicken version of a home-cooked, well-rounded meal. But did you know that chickens also benefit from a little something called grit? Grit is essentially small stones that chickens eat. It sounds strange, but these stones play a vital role in helping chickens grind down their food in their gizzard, a part of their stomach. Another important supplement, especially for your laying hens, is oyster shell. Oyster shell is a natural, high-quality source of calcium. This helps hens produce strong eggshells and maintain their own bone health. Feeding and watering are just part of the daily routine. Each day, take some time to check on your flock's health. Look for signs of illness or distress, such as changes in behavior, eating habits, or egg production. Keeping the coop clean is another important aspect of routine care. A clean coop means less chance of disease and pests. So, regularly remove droppings and replace bedding to keep your chickens' home clean and fresh. And let's not forget about taming. Regular handling from a young age can help your chickens become more comfortable with you. It's easier to check them for health issues, and it's also quite enjoyable to have pet chickens that enjoy your company. Regular care keeps your chickens healthy, but sometimes they need a little extra protection. And that's where we'll move on to our next topic: health, vaccinations, and predator protection. Just like us, chickens need healthcare and protection. That's where a good healthcare plan comes into play. Seek advice from a local vet or poultry expert to establish a plan that caters to your flock's needs. This plan may include routine checkups and necessary vaccinations to prevent diseases. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. But health isn't just about keeping diseases at bay. We also need to protect our feathered friends from predators. Raccoons, foxes, birds of prey, they all pose a threat to your chickens. So how do we keep them safe? Use a combination of locks, sturdy fencing, and hardware cloth to secure their coop and run. Keeping your chickens in at night can also help, as many predators are nocturnal. Your chickens' health and safety are paramount. By taking these steps, you're not just ensuring their survival, but also their ability to thrive. With health and safety covered, let's move on to the joys and challenges of different seasons. Chickens like us need to adapt to changing seasons and crave social interaction. As the seasons roll from the warmth of summer to the chill of winter, chickens require a little extra care. In the colder months, you'll want to provide extra warmth and insulate the coop to keep your feathery friends comfortable. As the temperature rises, ensuring good ventilation and access to shade and water becomes paramount to prevent overheating. Now, let's talk about the social butterflies of the barnyard, our chickens. They are inherently social creatures and thrive in the company of their kind. A flock of at least 3 to 4 chickens is recommended. This helps to prevent loneliness and aggression, ensuring a harmonious and happy coop. So whether it's adjusting for the seasons or facilitating social interaction, remember, your chicken's well-being is paramount. As you enjoy your chickens, don't forget to keep records and share your bounty. Collecting eggs is a joy, but it also requires care. Eggs should be collected daily, cleaned, and stored correctly, usually in a refrigerator. If you find yourself with a surplus, why not share this bounty with neighbors, friends, or consider selling them? Remember, keeping diligent records of your chicken's health, egg production, and other key details isn't just good practice. It's a roadmap to understanding your flock better. Raising chickens is an enjoyable, rewarding experience. Enjoy your chickens, treat them with kindness and respect, and reap the benefits of your hard work. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the DIY Domination channel for more DIY tips and tricks.